Effective home remedies for reducing body odor. Body odor is produced when the bacteria that live on our skin break down the proteins in our sweat into different acids. Some people tend to think that it is the growth of bacteria on the skin that produces body odor, but in reality, it is this process that produces the unpleasant odor. Every individual has a unique odor which is influenced by parameters like age, diet, health, and gender. Apple cider vinegar. Being acidic in nature, apple cider vinegar is known for its ability to kill and prevent bacterial formation, which can in turn prevent the appearance of foul body odor. Apple cider vinegar can be directly applied to your underarms and other body parts using a cotton ball. Epsom salt. Epsom salt is an antioxidant and is known to detoxify our body. It also helps our body to produce a hormone called serotonin, which helps it to relax. These properties of Epsom salt relieve stress, and this in turn decreases sweat production, thereby eliminating foul odor from our body. Fill a bathtub or jacuzzi with hot water and pour about 2 to 3 cups of Epsom salt into it. Soak in the bath and relax. Fenugreek tea. Being an antioxidant, fenugreek flushes out all the toxins from our body. It also possesses antibacterial properties and inhibits any bacterial infection from spreading further. Fenugreek tea is thus believed to fight body odor naturally by treating its root cause. Drink this on an empty stomach every morning. Fennel seeds. Some of the components present in fennel seeds are stimulants and promote the secretion of digestive and gastric juices in the stomach. They are also known to act as laxatives and can prevent body odor. Add the crushed fennel seeds to a cup of water and allow the mixture to boil, strain and drink. Tomato juice. The acidic nature of tomatoes kills the bacteria present on the skin, while its astringent properties minimize the pores and reduce sweat production. Fill your bathtub with warm water and add the tomato juice to it. Soak in the bath and relax for 20 to 30 minutes.